Homeaglow is a home cleaning service that's pretty straightforward to use and can be a practical solution for anyone overwhelmed by life's messes. The way it works is simple. Start by picking up a discount voucher, which gives access to up to 6 hours of cleaning at a heavy discount. Everything, including booking and payment, is handled online. Cleaners show up with all the needed supplies, even a vacuum, so there's no need to run to the store before they arrive. The range of services is solid, covering all the high traffic areas like the kitchen, bathroom, and bedrooms, plus smaller touches such as folding laundry and organizing. For those bigger chores like cleaning inside the fridge or oven, or even washing interior windows and walls, those are available too, which can be a rare find at this price point. The ongoing value comes through the Forever Clean membership. After that initial first-time offer, where a deep clean can be as low as $9 for 2 hours or just $79 for 6 hours, members pay $49 per month and then book unlimited cleanings at rates starting at $18 an hour, which is more than 50% off standard prices. It's designed for people who need regular cleaning but don't want to pay full price every time. If even one additional cleaning is booked a month, the membership essentially pays for itself when compared to one-time service costs. The cleaners themselves are background checked and rated by other users with an impressive average of 4.8 stars from thousands of verified reviews, so there's a sense of security in knowing someone trustworthy is coming into the home. Another plus is the platform's flexibility. If a certain cleaner isn't a good fit, switching is easy and all payments and tips go straight to the cleaner. No middleman taking a cut from their hard work. But while the cost savings and simplicity are appealing, it's important to pay attention to the fine print. The low introductory price is tied to a 6-month membership commitment. Canceling early means the first cleaning reverts to full price, so this isn't ideal for someone just looking to book a one-off service to get ready for a special occasion. Membership starts only after the first cleaning is complete, and while you can cancel after the 6 months with no penalty, it's not a month-to-month trial. Not everything's covered either. Moving heavy items, carpet cleaning, tackling mold, pet stains, or anything involving outdoor work are all off the menu. The same goes for deep stains or anything outside normal reach, so those looking for heavy-duty or specialized cleaning might need to look elsewhere. There's also a practical limit to what a cleaner can do in the booked hours, so expectations should be realistic, especially for larger or especially messy households. In summary, Homeaglow hits the mark for people who want a high-quality, affordable cleaning service with the flexibility of easy online booking and vetted professionals. It shines for recurring needs, helping families, busy professionals, or parents reclaim some time and sanity. The big draw is in the cost savings and the range of cleaning options, but it requires a real commitment to that 6-month membership. Those thinking about trying it just once need to be aware of that fine print, as early cancellations come with a financial sting. Overall, for folks who regularly battle household mess, Homeaglow's approach is structured to deliver value. Just make sure the membership and scope of service match what's actually needed before signing up.